1. Today is the first day, started 2 hours ago, and it's on tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. 20. Are we on Woodsworth?
Yeah, it should be right around this
26.
corner. There it is, right there.
Ah, yes. Park in the shade.
Yes.
Here. Nice. Well, sorta. Oh yeah, pretty much.
I have to change battery.
I can wait if you like. Or...
Well, you could go ahead if you like. I'll be right behind you, babe.
Okay. Hello.
Whatever happened to that, what was it, picture or whatever it was when you were in the paper?
Oh, the tintype.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, of Jesse James.
Yeah.
Well, in order to authenticate it, they want to know who owned it for since it existed, and so tracing that back is like pretty near impossible. So we're kind of stuck, but we're gonna probably in the winter maybe try and do a little more research and work with a forensic authenticator. So he has like different programs and stuff that he can run it through to match it. Like. Do you think that is?
I don't think it is.
No.
No.
No, none of this.
Nothing. No uranium gloves.
No. Oh, look at this cute set. There would have been a time where I would have bought this.
Oh, yeah.
So nice. These especially I like.
Yeah.
They're hard to sell, surprisingly, I know, but... I know I saw those, but no. So... Yeah.
I wasn't sure if you wanted that for like on the deck, outside table, or put planters in there. Get the round pots, and they might just fit right in there. Like the hanging plants. Peel the things off.
No, I don't want the plastic. I don't like that.
But might be able to find.
I know.
some
I looked at that thing too. But
or not. Just thought I'd point them out.
yeah. I don't know how much they are.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't know. And is that glass supposed to go with it, or?
That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, really? Oh. Because that looks terrible.
But it does. But I just want the metal pieces for something, like for planters.
Yeah.
Find some pots that fit
Yeah,
in
because
them.
that would be better than having them right on the deck.
Yeah, have some pots that just sort of slide right in there. And
Well, even those big ones we have, I think the bases are...
smaller. Yeah, they sort of cone, so they'll just sort of slide in until they.
I think they might. I guess it depends how much they are. They're heavy, eh?
Yeah, they are. They're cast, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
How much are these?
$20 per pair.
Okay.
Is it the table? Does it come with the glass or something, or like what are they?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't think we'll have a use for the glass. You can maybe let the glass go with that piece or something.
Yeah.
But would you take 10? Yeah.
I like you guys.
Oh, that's so
thank
nice.
you.
I want to hug you.
Hugs.
$2 million.
Yeah, that's right. Give me the other 10.
I got it. We got a deal and a hug.
Yeah. Awesome.
Sweet. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
I think we're going to find some little flower pots that just sort of are that size and try to slide them in.
And have them so they're not sitting right on the deck.
Have a good one.
See what else they got here? Anything? A cone? Doggy cone?
I'm good.
You're good?
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna need
chew
that.
your stitches?
I haven't been licking myself lately.
Okay. Well, good. So these can go in the box, I think?
Yeah.
Can you reach over and put them in?
Oh,
I don't
yeah.
know. Do that one first. Do you need me to hold your keys?
No.
Okay. Do you want to lay it on its side? Will it tip?
It'll roll around if it's on its side.
But if it tips, it's going to scare us.
That's okay.
Okay. Or put the top down. I think it's top heavy, so that might be best. Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be.
Can you flip that one around or?
Yeah. I think so.
Okay.
Okay.
On to the next.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Go.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. First thing you said, "Ooh, how do I know anything about that picture in the paper?" And I was like, "Oh yeah, right."
So she recognized you from the paper.
Yeah, she did. So cute. So then I just gave him the quick version
Yeah.
of where we're at. Where are you at on that?
We haven't. Not much further along than a year ago when we
No.
when we put out the last video on it.
I know.
I haven't made any progress on that.
No. Well,
So I've
maybe
tried.
this
I've tried
winter.
to get a hold of Kent Gibson since, and he's just so busy. I haven't been able to get a hold of him.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Well,
But I'm gonna keep
I haven't
trying.
heard anything about his show. I even googled
No,
it.
I know about the authenticators that was supposed to come on History Channel. So I don't know what's going on with that.
Maybe it's just not ready yet.
Yeah, could still be producing it.
I know, but you think there'd be something online about it?
Yeah,
Because I'm sure I googled it and nothing.
I know.
This one was on yesterday, and today's the last day, and there's supposed to be vintage and collectible things.
Ooh,
So,
cool.
yeah.
Check it out. Okay, so it should be right around this corner here.
70.
Where are we at here? 83. It's gonna be on my side. 74.
Oh, right there.
70.
Ooh. Not a lot of parking.
No.
Yeah. I wonder if this one. Silver on it. Silver on copper, yeah, but look at all the
And they want
copper.
$30 for it. Oh my god.
They wanted 40. This is the
Might as well say 1,000.
Canadian Rockies. That's cute. Oh, that's
Oh,
a
yeah.
cute.
Sugar, pepper, salt, milk. Mm-hmm. But no. Oh yes. Sugar, pepper, salt. Yeah.
Oh, $8 though. But it's peach. I thought it was. Well, maybe we want it though.
$8. That's ridiculous.
But it's probably 20 in the
I don't
store.
know. That
Yeah.
that I don't know.
It might not be 8 today. This is the last day, I think. It's not silver. Is this for a little kid? Oh, look at how tiny. Isn't that cute?
Nice.
Pretty soon there won't be any shade. You'll have to sit under the drippy tree.
It's a cute little suitcase. Vanilla. You might like that. Oh, that's the good vanilla, I think, isn't it?
Oh, that smells good.
You like that one?
Yeah.
Well, if she's the one using it,
Something honest.
there you go.
Well, yeah, and then he has to like it too, though.
Oh, okay.
Unless I'm mad at him, then I put one on he doesn't like.
If you want to keep him away, put on something he
Yeah,
doesn't like.
that's
Yeah.
right.
She's angry with me. Yeah. Put on something real musky.
Yeah,
I'm
Yeah.
mad at you today.
yeah.
You'll know right away.
This one he doesn't like. Yeah.
You can just turn around.
You're like, what did I do?
Oh.
What did I do?
Yeah.
Got the musk on. Must have done something wrong.
That's okay.
Yeah.
Are these yours too?
Yep.
Are you firm on that price?
Well, those are Body Shop, not Avon.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, could probably come down a buck or two. If you want a pair, I don't know.
Maybe the pair for 10?
Yeah, how about that?
5
That would be
each?
good, yeah. Oh yeah, that does smell good. Could eat it.
Sure, try it.
Yeah, you first. Got the 2 for 10 and then the 3.
All right, Jay.
Okay.
Sweetness.
Thank you. Yes.
Have fun.
Yeah. Spray them on when I get in the
Have
truck.
a good day. Don't melt in the heat.
Yeah.
Oh, you got some.
Yeah. Vanilla. This is a vanilla you like.
Yeah, it's
Some
it's
vanillas
nice.
aren't good, and
I
then
do
this
like it.
one. I don't have peach yet.
No, and that was very good smelling too at Body Shop though. That's
Yeah.
why.
Anything fruity from the Body Shop?
It's usually really good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. I think I have pink. I thought it was pink grapefruit because I have that one, but no.
Yeah.
Pink grapefruit, and I think I have strawberry
Cool.
and vanilla.
Right on. All scents that I like.
All from the Body Shop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should I spray them on?
Sure.
You want some?
No, I'm good. Okay, I think I need another rock star.
Okay. Let's see here.
It smells fresh.
Yeah. Oh. It smells exactly like peaches. Actually, it smells like nectarines.
Yeah.
When you eat a nectarine,
That
that's
too.
what it smells like. What a nectarine tastes like. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. So just whatever. You get behind a slow
I
guy.
like to get home before 6 p.m.
I know. But just relax. Try and enjoy yourself a little.
I try.
Don't poop the party.